Hey guys, so I'm back with another healthy recipe. Today it is my acai bowl that I eat literally almost every day, and my family is my witness. I really do eat these almost every day. And if you've been following me for a while, I'll usually post a picture of what's in my smoothie bowl, at least once a week. So I just wanted to share with you how much more fun it is to make at home. And also you can put all the goodies that you want in your smoothie bowl, like the different powders, like collagen, Supergreen powders, protein powders, because smoothie bowls are really popular now. You can go to a smoothie bowl place and get a smoothie bowl, and they charge you extra for all these little extra things that you put in. So that's why I think it's just better to make them at home. But anyway, I've already prepped my fruits and vegetables that I'm gonna have in my smoothie bowl. It's been kind of chilling in the freezer, but I've put a frozen banana in here. I put some greens, so whatever greens that you have, kale, spinach, you can put that in there. Frozen berries and some acai cubes I put in there as well. My protein powder of choice, and I've been using this Sun Warrior Shape Slim Collagen Boost. It is a beauty and slimming formula, and I really like it because it has it's not collagen, but it has the ingredients to help your body to produce collagen naturally, and also some ingredients to help suppress your appetite, because I am such a foodie. I love to eat. I'm always ready to eat. So anything that helps me with my appetite is a plus. So the ingredients that helps with the beauty blend, it says it has organic pea protein in here, organic brown rice, protein peptides, organic sea buckthorn, hyaluronic acid, organic bamboo extract, marine algae, a few other ingredients. I won't go through all of them. You can look it up. And then for the slimming blend, it has some organic sun fiber, suppressa saffron extract, root extracts. So this one is really good, and it tastes really good as well. So I like this new Sun Warrior Shape Slim Collagen Boost. I really like this one. This is what I've been using lately. And then to get your extra greens, I put in this Sun Warrior's Ormus Supergreen. So it has 2 billion SFU probiotics in it, and it has some amazing things in it as well. So this is to help make sure you get all of your greens in your smoothie bowl. So I add that into everything so that I have all my fruits and vegetables, my protein of choice, and then something to get the extra greens in. I already have all of my ingredients in my blender, and I added just a little bit of water to kind of get everything going, but I don't put too much water in it because you want the mixture to be kind of thick, almost like ice cream. So you don't want to put too much fluid in there because you're going to top it with whatever fruit you want. Fruits, like today I have mango, blueberries, and some chopped apples. So those are going to be my fruits that I put on top. And then for crunch, I have coconut, some shredded coconut, pecans, I love pecans, and my granola. I'm gonna put that on top. And I have the cutest little coconut bowl. I'm just gonna blend all of these ingredients together and then top it with my toppings. I am using my spatula to kind of mash all the ingredients down at the bottom of the blender, because the mixture is so thick, it doesn't get mixed in. You can add a little bit of almond milk or oat milk or whatever milk you like, or water into it, but I like mine really thick, so I try not to use too much liquid. So I just kind of push everything down at the bottom of the blender. Try to stay at the top. Don't go too far down, and stay on the edges and the sides so you don't blend up your spatula. So I'm just about almost at the consistency that I like, so almost there. Here is your acai mixture. I'm just gonna pour it in the bowl, and I'm just going to top it with all of my toppings. And I try to make them really pretty. I'll line up all of my apples together, and then put a little section for the mango. I have a few blueberries that I'm gonna put on top. Here's my coconut. This is just organic coconut shavings. My pecans. And then a little bit of granola, just a little. And that is it. It's very simple to make. Tastes just as good as the smoothie bowl places that you can go visit, but you're not paying the cost, and you can put actually all the things that you want in your smoothie bowl without the extra fees. But these are so yummy. I love these. See how pretty? This is today's smoothie bowl. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and how your smoothie bowl turned out. You can get so creative with them, but these are my favorite to eat. I eat them almost every day and you just feel so energized. Keeps you from being hungry later on. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.